Ask me about what, sir? Why I can't find my eyeglass? Oh, no, come back. Me don't know what I do with my eyeglass. Don't mind blood clots. I'm so hyperactive. Me don't know what I do look. I wish I want to take up my eyeglass. What store them at the secret store them? When the hype take what's and what's hype and what's the who. Me have the best woman in the world because it's when them a boast for me and praise for me. It's not normal. Him say, no young girl can't walk in a J shoes. And them hype me up. And when the hype lick blood clot, what's I tell me, he say no. I must stay home at night time now. After me and him there see him British Queen now, you know. I must stay home. Oh, Glenn there. Because Glenn love hear me what store them. Glenn! Where are you? Hear him now, I must stay home and stop go out now and make him go out. So I say, what you mean? Hear me, I want to your mama. I used to eat when them call my mama. I say, all that me and him cuss. Don't call me no blood clot, mama. Me is not a cow. So, what's them if I stay home now and him will go home? And him will go out. I say, what? I can't do that. No, my little something go out and you know my little style enjoy. I say, blood clot. Me not even remember what was doing. I don't remember if I was me and him did a rest and him walk because I don't want to tell him. I say, right, crazy. You say, right in at the side of the door. What's it have a magnum in there? A full buckle of blood clot magnum, man. And I say, I take out the magnum and fling it after what's and what's just go so. I say, I'm lean. Right in that maga man jawbone, it got to blood clot. Broke one man jawbone. Read something, you know. Fighting with me, I was. Blood clot. When was grabbing the murder. Wah! Wah! Blood clot. I say, I'm going to next blood clot rubbish pan. I say, and what site every blood clot thing went where